Like this from our friend from medical rehabilitation, maybe we have very difficult to find information about maritime medicine in Indonesian literature, but the activity make our collegium to extra working to compile and or to find the reference about the arrhythmia in maritime medicine. So at the first, I would like to our college from maritime medicine collegium who join to support to make the regulation. And then daripada capek, lebih baik saya pakai bahasa Indonesia. Terima kasih. Pertama yang